Prodoscore's visibility solution for your law firm allows you to see all of the different roles within your organization, potentially intake, paralegals, attorneys, legal secretaries. And so we're looking at a data set of the last 7 days. We could see different Prodoscores, and then we can see the performance increase, decrease over the previous 7 days for those activities. For example, Steve Madden, already a high Prodoscore as a 77, is showing a 14% increase week over week. This would be a good alert for a firm to see that there's potential burnout here with Steve. We can then dive into each of these employees and start to understand the blueprint that goes into making up their day's activities. So we can see over the last 7 days, Tom Smith's an 87 with a 2% decrease, so he's very consistent in his workday. When we dive into this Wednesday, we start to see the Office 365 activities, and then most importantly is we can see the Litify integration. It's all API based, so it's just Litify pushing the data to Prodoscore, and so we can see all of his activities and negotiations, notes, documents, chatter, activities, matters, roles. So it really helps you understand the different role that they're in and how they go about using Litify to make up their day successfully. We also tie into other collaboration tools like UCAS, so Cisco Voice, RingCentral, Dialpad, any of the different collaboration tools like Zoom Video, Slack chats. And so what you're able to see from a behavior perspective is you can start to understand these different employees and how they go about their day utilizing Litify. And in the example here, we see that Tom Smith at 8 o'clock at night is still utilizing Litify, doing some collaboration and sending emails. So with Prodoscore, we start to funnel out all of this data, and so it gives your organization a high-level view. For example, we can look at all the different departments, whether that's intake, paralegal, attorneys, legal secretary, and you start to understand trend over time. So we're looking at the last 30 days, and so we can see that the intake department is very consistent with a 3% increase over a 30-day period, but it allows you to see the different departments and where within your organization you might need to put more resources.